Welcome to 16914 Kinzie Street, located on a quiet cul-de-sac in the heart of the beautiful San Fernando Valley. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features over 2,100 square feet of living space and is move-in ready. As you enter, you'll notice a modern floor plan with upgrades like ceiling fans, recessed lighting, and wood-finish laminate flooring. The open living space is perfect for entertaining friends and family gatherings. The light and bright kitchen area features a breakfast bar and access to a large pantry and laundry area. A fully enclosed and permitted patio makes for a great sunroom or can be used as a bonus room, exercise area, or playroom. The spacious master suite has a large mirrored dual closet area and a separate vanity and shower. This home features 2 more large bedrooms, a wonderfully decorated custom bath, and extra built-in storage in the hallway. Other amenities include dual-pane windows, a new roof, and a newer HVAC unit and water heater. This home won't last long on the market. Schedule a tour today and make your dream of home ownership come true.